In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to find your draft videos on YouTube Mobile. If you've recorded a video, edited it, and saved it as a draft but can't find where it's saved, just follow these simple steps. First, open the YouTube Mobile app on your device, then tap the plus symbol button located in the center of the screen. Next, select the Shorts option to open the camera. Let's record a short video so we can save it as a draft. After recording, tap the X icon at the top left corner of the screen. You'll get an option to save the video as a draft, so go ahead and do that. Now, to find the draft you just saved, tap the plus symbol button again to open the gallery. Make sure the Shorts option is selected. This will open the YouTube camera again, and on the right side of the screen, you'll see the Drafts option. Tap on Drafts, and it will take you to a page in the app where you can see all the videos you've saved as drafts. If there's a draft you no longer need, you can tap on the three dots next to the draft and select Delete. If you want to continue working on a draft, just tap on the draft itself, and you can keep editing or share it with your subscribers. And that's how you can easily find and manage your drafts on YouTube Mobile. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.